Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me today from Elixinol Global is CEO Oliver Horn. Oliver, welcome back to FNN.
Thanks, Rachel. Great to be back.
Good to see you again. Now, you've just released your September quarter update. What were the highlights there?
We delivered 18% quarter-on-quarter growth for the quarter. Outstanding result. But very importantly, we also reduced our operating cash outflow to 3.5 million from over 6 million in the previous quarter. So significant cost savings, revenue up across all regions. Every single region has been growing, and that is despite a very challenging environment. So we're really excited about the quarter.
And what can you tell me about how things are going in Europe at the moment?
Yes, Europe has been a beautiful success story for us. We went into Boots Island with our new skincare range, Well Pharmacy, third biggest pharmacy chain in the UK, with 8 products on shelf and over 500 pharmacies. And as a result of that, particularly the August and September months when we launched those products have been just phenomenal for us and contributed to that 60% growth profile in Europe. And excitingly, Europe it's only the beginning. We only just made those massive distribution gains. And so we're now looking forward to actually working with our customers and launching our consumer marketing campaigns in this all decisive sort of fourth quarter, Christmas quarter, to capitalize on the new distribution that we found in Europe. So exciting times in Europe, really, really exciting.
That sounds great. Now, looking back home, what can you tell me about Hemp Foods Australia?
Hemp Foods Australia, it's just so beautifully positioned. It's one of the strongest hemp foods brands in Australia. It's number 1, 2, 3 when you Google search hemp foods in Australia, and had another fantastic performance. Been growing robustly for the last 3 quarters really now. And getting more and more profitable in the process and having significant growth upsides because we got new innovation coming out, we got new product launches coming out, and very excitedly, actually, we are just starting to service Costco as well. And the first orders are going out now in October.
Excellent. Thanks, Oliver. Now, your online sales have been performing very well after the rebranding and investment into your website. Are major shopping platforms like Kogan and Amazon being considered?
Yes, absolutely. Look, we're in active discussions in the UK with Amazon. They've been trialing CBD, and we are in very advanced discussions on partnering with Amazon. And then in the US, which obviously our stronghold, we're talking to a number of retail online platforms. But Amazon is still restricted there. They're not selling CBD products just yet, but there are smaller online retailers that we work with. And we actually have an online affiliate program with over 150 affiliates who run online platforms and selling our products on their site. So it's a very extensive program that we're running.
And Oliver, could you remind us briefly about the company's turnaround strategy and when you expect to be cash flow positive?
Yeah, look, the turnaround strategy is really based on 3 key initiatives. One is driving revenue hard and taking costs out, which we've demonstrated really well. The second one is focusing on margin accretion, really getting sort of to a high 50s, 60% margin. And we're achieving that to really focusing on high margin consumer channels, in particular in e-commerce. And the third part of our turnaround story is the rebranding of our product range, the new innovation that we're having, and then supporting it with new capability in our team. And all those 3 together are really for us marking now the turnaround and the sustainable turnaround. We're not giving a forecast as to when we are expecting a profitability, but we are now on a growth trajectory, and it's a matter of time. So it's not if, it's when it's going to happen.
So to the last question now, Oliver, what's the outlook for the December quarter and the Christmas shopping period?
The outlook is very, very positive for us. We've just had all the new distribution gains in Europe, which are coming on board. We're having a fantastic Christmas campaign with our retailers in Europe. And then we're gearing up to Black Friday and Cyber Monday in the US, where we have huge marketing spend earmarked to drive sales online, in particular in our high margin channels. And very excitedly, we're also launching a new product range of gummies. So I'm announcing it here for the first time. We haven't really talked to the market about that. That's literally hitting shelves on the 2nd of November already. So look, there's so much going on in our business. We reset the business. We have momentum. We have a new product range. We have innovation coming out, new distribution. Q4 for us is something that we are really cherishing.
It's very exciting times. Oliver Horn, thanks for the update and congratulations on another strong quarter.
Thank you, Rachel. As always, it's good to be here, and see you next time.